In this video, we will examine the aims and objectives of a curriculum at the subject level. Let's take a look at the social studies curriculum, the discipline that includes social sciences and the humanities, such as geography, history, and political science. In the context of our study of curriculum design, we are using the term aims to describe the larger purpose of the program, whereas objectives are more explicitly written. Although different programs may use different terms to label their educational goals and objectives, we need to be mindful of the difference between the two in order to correctly identify them. The first curriculum we are going to examine is the Cambridge Global Perspectives program for lower secondary students. The Cambridge Lower Secondary is typically for learners aged 11 to 14 years to help prepare them for the next step of their education. The aim of the Cambridge Global Perspectives program is to help students develop outstanding transferable skills. This subject develops the skills of research, analysis, evaluation, reflection, collaboration, and communication. It also provides valuable opportunities to reinforce links with other Cambridge lower secondary subjects. What do you think are the learning domains embedded in the aim of this program? Pause the video and try to identify the keywords that suggest the domain or domains of learning involved. Here's what I gathered. It is clearly stated that this subject helps students develop outstanding transferable skills, including research, analysis, evaluation, reflection, collaboration, and communication. These skills support students' learning in other subjects. So, the domain of learning reflected here is the soft skills domain. In the syllabus, the learning objectives appear under the section called What Will Students Learn? There are 3 objectives listed here. Pause the video and take a few minutes to identify the learning domains included. Here we go. We have the cognitive, affective, and skills domains here. Are these objectives aligned to the aims of the Global Perspectives program? The program aims to develop transferable skills. When the skills domain is involved, other domains of learning may be engaged to support its acquisition. For example, if the aim is to develop research skills, the objectives, since they are more specifically phrased, may include the ability to make decisions about the information they read and analyze causes and consequences, which both belong in the cognitive domain. So even though the domains are different, the aims and objectives of the program can still be aligned. Now, let's have a look at another program under the Social Studies discipline, which is Civics and Citizenship for Year 7 students in the Australian curriculum. In Australia, Year 7 students are typically 12 to 13 years old. Here are the 2 paragraphs that describe the aims of Civics and Citizenship for Year 7. Can you try to identify the domains of learning by choosing keywords that you think reflect the area of emphasis? Pause the video and give it a go. We have both the cognitive and skills domains within the aims of the Australian Civics and Citizenship Year 7 program. Learning within the cognitive domain involves the knowledge and understanding of the Australian Constitution, including the justice system and the secular system of government, whereas the skills involved are civics and citizenship skills. Now, let's examine the objectives of this program. Pause the video and read through these paragraphs to find the keywords that correspond to the relevant domains. There are 2 dominant domains here, cognitive and affective. Compare these objectives to the aims of the program. Do you think they are constructively aligned? Remember what I said earlier, even though the domains may not be exactly the same, the aims and objectives of the program can still be aligned. Hope you find this useful. For more examples, check out the other videos in my channel. Thank you.